2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee customer purchase an aftermarket headlight. This is a factory HID setup. There are two types of headlights. One's a halogen bulb, the other one's HID. So if you are buying online, be sure to get the one that belongs to your vehicle, because the HID setup and halogen obviously are different plugs and they're not going to work. The first step is to remove all these locking clips from the top. There's a whole bunch of them. And do the same thing on both sides. Clear this. Alright, so once you remove that, there's a 10 mil right there. We're going to remove that, and you're also going to have to another one here on this side. Obviously you're going to have to remove this right here. You don't have to remove completely. What we normally do is we just pry up to the point right here. There are clips right here. This one's missing, and you remove that. There's some screws here, and once you remove, it should be a bolt going up this way. You're going to remove that as well. So this is the headlight he bought. As I said, he bought the correct one, I think, because he has a factory HID. So you pop this side panels off. As I said, you don't have to take the completely out, just partially out. And there is a one screw going upward this way. Maybe there's another one. Nope. Just separate that like that. And the entire headlight comes off. You do the same thing on the other side. Then you separate the bumper skin. The reason we are doing this is because there is a bolt right here, and I think there's another one, maybe this one. Maybe there's another one on the top.
I removed this one. Should come out.
I think there's another one underneath.
This one has to come out.
So this comes out, then behind there's another bolt behind the grill. And this comes out. And that's it. And just disconnect all the harnesses and transfer all the components from old one to new one. And these ballast you got to transfer over to new headlights. We are transferring all the components from the old one to new one. There's obviously HID bulb. New ballast go in here. The one slides in, the other one you have to plug it in from bottom up.
Yeah.
It's fine. So you show this. Right. To take this headlight bulb out, you push this one downward. You spread them out like this. So you put the new bulb. This is a new bulb. Once you have that, you need one of these pokey tool. You stick it in, then you go forward and lift it up. Let's see. Like this. It's locked. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Pull the tool to the middle and lock it in. Now it's in. This is the passenger side, not like driver side. Driver side had module here, another one here. On this side, they only have one. I don't know why, but that's the way it is. So you just remove that and you slide this module out a ways. That's it. And this side also has a different headlights. So we got all the plugs, modules plugged back in. That works. Headlight works. Directional.